Ingelosi. Here at SeaWorld, we absolutely love our dolphins and we believe that they love us back. Our dolphin family is quite old. All of them are over 20 years old. Yes, they remain very fit and very, very strong. Would you like to see Ingelosi jump?